In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a column in a schedule from the project browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up a schedule view so you can focus on the fields that matter most without changing any underlying data. First, open the schedule from the project browser. If you have a long list of views, look for the Schedules or Quantities section and double-click the schedule you want to work with. You'll know you're in the right place when the schedule opens in the main workspace and you can see its rows and column headings. If the schedule is already placed on a sheet, that's fine. Open the schedule view itself from the project browser to make the change cleanly at the source. Next, click on the column header you want to hide. The header is the title cell at the top of the column, not the individual data cells below it. Clicking the header selects the entire column at once. You should see a clear highlight indicating that the whole column is active. If you accidentally click inside a regular cell and it starts editing the value, press Escape, then click directly on the header text to select the column properly. Take a second to make sure you've got the exact field you intend to hide, especially if you have similar column names side by side. Now, right-click the header and choose Hide Column. A small context menu appears when you right-click, and the Hide Column command will instantly remove that column from view. As soon as you select it, the schedule will reflow, shifting the remaining columns over so your layout stays tidy. This change affects only how the schedule is displayed. It does not delete the field, remove any data, or alter the model. Any calculations, sorting, or filters that rely on that field will continue to operate behind the scenes. You're simply keeping the column out of sight to streamline what you're reviewing or preparing for output. A couple of practical notes as you work. Hiding a column is saved with the schedule view, so when you come back later, it will still be hidden. If you place the schedule on a sheet, the hidden column won't appear there either, which helps produce a cleaner, more readable presentation. And because no data is removed, you can make this change with confidence during audits, coordination, or when sharing a simplified schedule for review. That's all there is to it. Open the schedule, click the column header you want to hide, then right-click and choose Hide Column. It's a quick, reversible way to keep your schedule focused and easy to read.